Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to format numbers with comma in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large numbers and want to make them more readable for reports, budgets, or data analysis. Let's jump right in and get your numbers properly formatted. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your Google Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google apps live, and it's the starting point for accessing your spreadsheets. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to format numbers with comma. This will open up your specific Google Sheet, giving you full access to all the data and formatting tools you need to make your changes. Now that your spreadsheet is open, the first thing you'll do is highlight the number data you want to format with comma. Click and drag across the cells containing the numbers you wish to modify. This selection tells Google Sheets exactly which data you want to apply the formatting to, ensuring you don't accidentally change other parts of your spreadsheet. With your data selected, look toward the top of the screen and click on Format. This menu is your gateway to all the styling and formatting options Google Sheets offers. It's where you can control how your data appears, from font styles to number formats. From the Format menu, click on Number. This opens up a submenu specifically designed for number formatting options. Here you'll find various preset formats, but we're going to create a custom one to suit your exact needs. Go ahead and click on Custom Number Formats at the bottom of that submenu. Now you'll see the custom number format field appear. This is where the magic happens. In this field, type 3 hashtags, then a comma, then another 3 hashtags, and another comma, then lastly 3 hashtags. This pattern tells Google Sheets to insert commas at every 1,000 separator in your numbers. The hashtags act as placeholders for your digits, and the commas define where the separators should appear. Keep in mind that you can adjust this format depending on what will suit you best. Different regions use different number formats, so feel free to modify the pattern to match your specific requirements or regional standards. Once you're satisfied with your custom format, click Apply. Google Sheets will immediately process your selection and apply the comma formatting to all the highlighted cells. Your numbers should now display with proper comma separators, making them much easier to read and understand at a glance. And there you have it. You've successfully formatted your numbers with commas in Google Sheets, transforming raw data into a clean, professional presentation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.